Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this waterfall edit on CapCut PC. So I have a video of a waterfall and a video of somebody walking. Then you are going to select the video and you're going to select remove background on the second one. And I'm just going to scale it down a little bit, and if you'd like to still have the pavement there, as you can see it looks like he's just walking on water. I'm going to delete the auto removal. Oh, I do have to make it like fully screen though. Like that, and go to mask and select the horizontal one, and I'm just going to rotate it. Well, I hope the like ground you're walking on is more like for waterfalls here. So you can't see the trash but can, but this is just an example. You're also going to adjust the video as well so it looks more like blue and like more green, and you can also turn down the saturation a little bit just to match the video a little bit more here. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.